let's also get you the update that is now expected to come from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, which is now expected to hear the EC's plea on e-bond today. This is a 5-judge constitution bench that would be hearing this plea, and this is a plea that actually seeks direction for the return of the sealed boxes. Let's go across to Harish now. Harish will be with us right now to give us a sense of exactly what this matter is all about. But we are told, as far as the day prior to the deadline that was actually set by the Supreme Court of India, it was today on the 15th of March by 5 p.m. when the SBI was directed to hand over all the compiled data to the ECI, and the ECI was directed thereafter to publish the data on its website. But even when it comes to the Supreme Court of India, which will be hearing an application also when it comes to filed by the Election Commission seeking modification of the operative portion of its 11th March order regarding the Electoral Bonds case. Let me go across to Harish now. Harish, what is this plea all about?
In fact, Amita, for the benefit of our viewers, let me say that the Supreme Court, in its order, has said that during the pendency of the proceedings before the Constitution Bench, Election Commission of India had, in compliance with interim orders passed by this court, filed statements from 2018 to 2023 regarding electoral bonds data. Copies of the statements which were filed by the Election Commission before this court would be maintained in the office of the Election Commission, and the Election Commission shall forthwith publish the data. But the Election Commission has today moved an application which will be heard at 10:30, saying that though the Supreme Court has said that Election Commission may have copies of the data, we don't have any data. We had given whatever we had got from the SBI to the Supreme Court in sealed covers. So Supreme Court may release these data which is stored in sealed cover. So today this Supreme Court Chief Justice will take a stand on this application filed by ECI taking release of all these data.
So this is the 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court which is likely to take up this matter today.